Okay, this is the ZT410 420 media sensor clean out part 2. So I slid the sensor assembly off of the mounting shaft um, and got it turned over. And to really get in there and give it a good cleaning, I did have to take off and disassemble this half of the media sensor. So this will go back on and fit into that small hole there. There's only one way that it can go on, so you can't get it wrong. But basically, I took one screw out so that I could take that half off and open up and get into that area to really clean where some of these sensors live, right? There was nothing actually in there, but there was label material completely stuck all along this area. You can see some of the residue of the adhesive still on there. So that's kind of like part 2, to just let you know that once you get this slid off, if you got a lot of material stuck inside the fork area there, you can remove one screw, take that off, really get it cleaned out, and then we'll have to put Humpty Dumpty back together again. Here you can see my handy dandy plastic scraper that I use for basically not scratching the printer surfaces, but still getting enough on there instead of just using your fingernails to remove labels. You can use a plastic scraper. Thanks.